One down. Stephen! He's fucking hitting me. Get him, will you? I took one out. There's one down. There's two more there. Sean, they're crawling up. They're crawling up. Left side. Tom's down low. Got him. I got him. Sean!
Yeah.
Can I move up to where you are?
You can't go in, but it's very open out here.
Okay.
Yeah, move in.
Cover me. Oh fuck. Bollocks.
Down here. One guy over
Yeah,
here.
no, he got me.
Okay. That's good.
Watch out, there's a guy tier 12, watch out.
Right.
Here, watch out there.
Okay, I'm going to cover. Hi.
Huh?
I'm going to cover.
Alright. This is incredibly uncomfortable.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Count, hit.
Steve! Woo!
Where is a nice place to spawn?
Where I am, at that window, you can look at that window, you're safe from that way.
Alright, I might go higher. Got you. Oh, there they are.
Steven!
Yeah!
You okay, where are you?
Up high, high.
Up high, high!
High, high.
High, high!
High, high.
Sean! Far left!
Left here. When you see the guy over to the very left there, he's behind trees down the very left.
The sniper, right? It's a sniper! I can see
That's
it.
him from here. I know he's there though.
I can see a sniper, there he is. Got him! He's down.
One more still there, I think.
One more.
Yeah, I think so.
Got no viz, got one. Changing. Hit! Good shot! Don't got me.
Oh.
I seen it like come in.
Left, far side left. Lost him.
Got nothing, man. Come behind us, Sean, behind us. Sean, behind us, behind us, behind us.
Right.
He's hit, that guy there is hit, but there's another guy. Steven! Behind us.
Hit. Good shot. Coming out.
Hit a move.